Hi, I'm Wendy, a white tiger and yin yoga teacher from Australia. Today we are integrating Dragon Qigong and yin yoga for the water element. The water element is associated with the kidneys, the emotion of fear, the season of winter, and the colour blue. We will release fear and transform fear into courage and willpower. Let's begin. Let's start getting our chi flowing by bouncing the knees and flossing the shoulders. Today's practice is divided into 3 parts: warm up to stimulate chi flow, Dragon Qigong, which specifically targets the kidneys, and yin yoga for the kidney and urinary bladder meridians. Shaking it out, allow the whole body to shake. This is a Taoist exercise of letting go. Let go physically and emotionally. Shake a little faster. And hold the chi. 3 cleansing breaths. Inhale, expand. Breathing out through a small hole of your mouth. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Heavenly pillars. Exhale, tuck the chin and the pelvis. Inhale, arch the back and look up. Exhale, round the spine and tuck. Inhale, arch and look up. Feel the spine like a wave, fluid and soft. Turtle turns its head. Exhale, rotate the arms outwards as you twist behind. Inhale, rotate the arms inwards back to center. Exhale, twist and gaze over the shoulders, stretching the eyes. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, release. Exhale, inhale, back to center. Head tilt, gather fingers to thumb and pull up. Tilt the head to that side. Press the opposite hand down, changing sides with the breath. Head circles. Slowly rotate the head gently and softly. Inhale up and exhale down. Change directions. Inhale up, exhale down. Girdle vessel. Rub hands together. Place hands on the kidneys at the lower back. Small hip circles, gradually spiraling out to your maximum circle. Head remains upright and steady. Spiral back in. And change directions. Starting small and spiraling out to large circles. And back to small circles. 2 hands holding the kidneys. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, push out and fold forward. Clasp the elbows and release the head. Inhale, draw the energy up the legs to the kidneys, bend and arch the back. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, extend down. Lengthen the spine. Inhale, bring the energy up to the kidneys. Squeeze the glutes, open the chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale, back bend. Bowing to heaven and earth, step 1 foot out. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bow down, hands along the side of the legs, toes up, holding the Yang Tuen point. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bend the knees as you release the head and reach down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Holding the kidney 1 point. Change sides. Inhale, reaching up to heaven. Exhale, bowing down to earth. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. And standing in Zhuang. Dragon Qigong, the water element, the kidneys, the emotion of fear. Make a chi ball, left hand on top. Shift the weight to the left. Step out to the right, bend the knees, compress the chi. Throw the arms out, legs lunge to that side, left hand up, right hand out. Uncoil, press hands out. Step back in, make a chi ball, right hand on top. Inhale, step out. Exhale, compress the chi. Inhale, as you expand and twist, both palms facing up, gaze to the lower hand. Exhale, uncoil, press out, and step back in. Repeat once more on each side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, expand. Exhale, uncoil. Inhale, step in. Inhale, Exhale. Inhale, expand. Exhale, uncoil. Inhale, step in. Take a deep breath in. Release any feelings of fear. Inhale courage and willpower. Bring these feelings down through your center. Inhale fresh chi, bringing this energy through your spiritual center, your heart center, and storing the chi in the lower dantian, your vitality center. Yin yoga for the kidney and urinary bladder meridians. Dangling. Stand with your feet hip width apart, reach up and then fold forward. Soften the knees and clasp the elbows. Allow the spine to lengthen. Target area is the lower spine and hamstrings, stimulating the urinary bladder. Find stillness and hold for time. Notice your breathing. This pose also builds strength in the diaphragm. Pause the video if you wish to stay longer. Avoid this pose if you have high blood pressure. Gently come down to a squat. Have a few breaths here before we come into our rebound. Relax the body completely, allowing the chi to flush through the urinary bladder meridian. Sphinx and seal pose. Bring yourself up onto your elbows. The target area is the lumbar spine and kidney compression, stimulating the urinary bladder and kidney meridians. You have the option to come up into seal pose by taking the arms out wide and straightening. This allows a deeper arch of the back and stronger compression. Slowly lowering yourself back down and coming into your rebound. Thread the needle with wide knees. Come up on hands and knees, feet together, knees wide. Reach one arm out under the other arm, back of the hand on the ground. Stretch the other arm out in front. Notice the twist in the spine, stimulating the kidneys. Relax in the pose. Gently come out of the pose and change sides. The kidneys are responsible for filtering blood and maintaining fluid balance. They also store our vital energy, Jing. Slowly come out of the pose and make your way into a rebound on your back. Twisted roots. Arms out to the side, bring up one knee at a time, cross the knees, right leg on top, and roll to the left side. Spinal twists are great at the end of a practice to reset the spine and the nervous system. Soften in the pose. Slowly come back to center, change sides. Left leg on top, roll to the right. Gently coming up, have a little rock from side to side and come into your final resting pose, Shavasana. Visualize that you are a seed buried deep down in the earth, waiting for the growth and expansion of spring. Breathe in courage to go forward with confidence. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button or leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our next video.